Welcome back to Whelen Command Pro Tips. Today we are going to create a driver's door mode. For this demonstration, we are going to use the carbide. The control head will be the 21-inch slide. We will use a 54-inch Duo Liberty 2 light bar with Duo Traffic Advisor. And lastly, we are going to use the CAN port. The vehicle will be the Interceptor Utility 2020, and the CAN signal we will use will be door front driver. We can now click Continue to begin programming. To create the driver door event, we will go to the event page at the top of the menu. We will then click the plus button to add a new event. We will title this event Driver Door. This event will consist of two conditions. The first one will be when 21-inch slide switch 3 is on. And then we will click the plus button to add a second condition. The second condition will be when vehicle input door front driver is open. Now that the conditions are made, we can close the event manager. Now anything that we program with the driver door event highlighted will occur when the slide switch is in position 3 and the vehicle's driver door is open. We can now select the light bar page to begin programming. We will select all 4 corner modules and the takedown on the driver's side. Under Action, we are going to turn them off. Now when the control head is in slide position 3 and the driver's door is open, all of the driver's side corner modules will turn off so that the responder is not backlit from the light bar, providing additional coverage. Thank you for watching Whelen Command Pro Tips, and stay tuned for more episodes.